हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे प्रेगनेंसी टेस्ट पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव के इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज। क्वेश्चन, विच हार्मोन इज डिटेक्टेड इन ए प्रेगनेंसी टेस्ट? Correct answer is C, HCG. HCG, human chronic gonadotropin hormone, is secreted during pregnancy. Next question, when is the best time to take a pregnancy test for accurate results? Correct answer is A, morning urine sample. Morning urine has the highest concentration of HCG. Next question, how soon after conception can a home pregnancy test detect pregnancy? Correct answer is C, 10 to 14 days. HCG levels are detectable in urine around 2 weeks after ovulation. Next question, what does a faint line on a pregnancy test indicate? Correct answer is C, early pregnancy. A faint line means low HCG levels suggesting early pregnancy. Next question, which type of pregnancy test is more accurate? Correct answer is C, blood pregnancy test. Blood tests can detect lower HCG levels earlier than urine tests. Next question, what can cause a false positive pregnancy test? Correct answer is C, HCG medications. Some fertility treatments contain HCG leading to false positives. Next question, a negative pregnancy test could be due to. Correct answer is D, all of the above. Testing too early, diluted urine or faulty kits can cause false negatives. Next question, which of the following medications can interfere with pregnancy test results? Correct answer is C, fertility drugs. Fertility drugs with HCG may cause false positives. Next question, how does an ectopic pregnancy affect a pregnancy test? Correct answer is C, normal but slow rising HCG levels. In ectopic pregnancy, HCG rises but at a slower rate than normal. Next question, if a pregnancy test shows negative but symptoms persist, what should be done? Correct answer is A, retest in a few days. Sometimes HCG levels take time to rise. Retesting is recommended. Next question, how is a urine pregnancy test different from a blood pregnancy test? Correct answer is B, blood test detects lower HCG levels earlier. Blood test detects pregnancy earlier than urine tests. Next question, which pregnancy test method provides quantitative HCG levels? Correct answer is C, blood test. Blood tests measure the exact amount of HCG. Next question, a urine pregnancy test should be read within how many minutes? Correct answer is B, 2 to 5 minutes. After 10 minutes, results may not be accurate. Next question, what does a digital pregnancy test display? Correct answer is B, pregnant or not pregnant. Digital tests eliminate confusion by displaying clear text results. Next question, which of the following can affect the accuracy of a digital pregnancy test? Correct answer is D, all of the above. Digital tests can be affected by battery issues, expiry, or improper use. Next question. How does a digital pregnancy test detect pregnancy? Correct answer is C. By measuring HCG levels electronically, digital pregnancy tests use sensor to detect HCG in urine. Next question. Can a digital pregnancy test give a false positive? Correct answer is A. Yes, if HCG is present from other causes, conditions like fertility, treatments, or medical issues can cause false positives. Next question. How long do digital pregnancy test results remain visible? Correct answer is C. 24 hours. Most digital tests keep results visible for 24 hours before fading. Next question. What is an evaporation line on a pregnancy test? Correct answer is C. A line appearing after the test dries. Evaporation lines can appear after the test's valid reading window. Next question. If a pregnancy test is taken too early, what is likely to happen? Correct answer is A false negative result. Early testing may not detect HCG levels yet. Next question. What does a control line on a pregnancy test indicate? Correct answer is A. The test is functioning properly. The control line confirms that the test has worked correctly. Next question. If no control line appears on a pregnancy test, what should be done? Correct answer is C. Retest with a new kit. A missing control line means the test is invalid. Next question. Can a pregnancy test detect a miscarriage? Correct answer is A. Yes, but only for a short time. HCG remains in the body for some time after a miscarriage. Next question. Can a pregnancy test be reused? Correct answer is B. No, pregnancy tests are single use. Once used, a pregnancy test cannot be reused. Next question. Can stress affect pregnancy test results? Correct answer is A. No, stress does not impact HCG levels. HCG levels are not affected by stress. Next question. Which of the following factors can cause a false negative result? Correct answer is D. All of the above. These factors can lower HCG concentration, causing false negatives. Next question. How does a home pregnancy test compare to a clinical blood test? Correct answer is B. Blood tests detect pregnancy earlier. Blood tests detect lower HCG levels before urine tests. Next question. Can drinking too much water before testing affect pregnancy test results? Correct answer is B. Yes, it can dilute HCG levels. Excessive water intake can dilute urine and lower HCG concentration. Next question. Which hormone level is measured in pregnancy blood tests? Correct answer is C. HCG. HCG is the key hormone detected in pregnancy tests. Next question. Can a pregnancy test predict the gender of the baby? Correct answer is B. No, pregnancy tests do not determine gender. Gender determination requires ultrasound or genetic testing. Next question. What should be done if pregnancy test results are unclear? Correct answer is B. Retake the test after 48 hours. HCG levels double every 48 hours, making result clear. Next question. Which condition can lead to persistently high HCG levels without pregnancy? Correct answer is B. Molar pregnancy. Molar pregnancy causes abnormal tissues growth with high HCG levels. Next question. What should be done if multiple home pregnancy tests show different results? Correct answer is C. Get a blood test for confirmation. A clinical blood test is the most reliable method for confirming pregnancy. Next question. Can ovarian cyst cause a false positive pregnancy test? Correct answer is A. Yes, some ovarian cysts produce HCG. Certain ovarian cysts, especially corpus luteum cysts, can produce HCG and cause false positives. Next question. How long does HCG remain in the body after a miscarriage? Correct answer is C. 4 to 6 weeks. After a miscarriage, HCG levels gradually decline but can take weeks to reach undetachable levels.